Now, papers to be laid. The Honorable Chief Minister.
Sir, I lay on the table the paper shown against my name in today's order.
Honorable Minister Tourism.
Sir, I lay on the table the papers shown against my name in today's order.
Minister for Water Resources.
Sir, I lay on the table the papers shown against my name in today's order.
Minister Transport.
I lay on the table the papers shown against my name in today's order.
Minister for Panchayat Raj.
Sir, I lay on the table the papers shown against my name in today's order.
Calling attention, Pandurang Dawlikar.
Speaker, sir, I beg to call the attention of the Minister for Revenue to the matter of urgent public importance. Fear and anxiety caused in the minds of the people because of the destruction caused due to the passing of underground gas pipeline from Amona, Andora, Betkeorgaon and Bhoma and the surrounding areas free of constituency. Speaker, sir, जी गॅस पाईपलाईन आमोणेच्यान आयल्या ती आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतल्यान खांडोळा बेतकी भोमा हांगच्यान ती पास जाता आनी ही पास जाता आसतना स्पीकर सर म्हाका सभागृहाच्या निदर्शनाक हाडून दिवंक जाय की ह्या पायपलायनी खातीर ही पायपलायन बरी आमकां गॅस मेळटलो आमच्यो गाडयो गॅसार चलतल्यो घरा घरा गॅस पायपलायनीन मेळटलो हें सगळें खरें आसा पूण स्पीकर सर ही पायपलायन ह्या एरियेंतल्यान गेल्ल्या कारणान कोणाले शेतीचें लुकसाण जालां कोणाचें बागायतीचें लुकसाण जालां कोणाचे सेप्टीक टँक भितर आयल्या आनी ह्या खातीर तांकां कसलें कॉम्पेन्सेशन मेळटलें आनी कितें कॉम्पेन्सेशन मेळटलें ह्या पायपलायनी खातीर सरकारान एक्विजिशन केलां काय कितें कारण तुमकां खबर आसा ह्याचे पयलीं नॅशनल हायवे आयलो SEZ आयलो आनी तांकां विरोध जायत गेलो आनी हे प्रोजेक्ट बंद पडले आनी ही पायपलायन घालतना खरें म्हणल्यार पंचायत लेवलाचेर अवेरनेस जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो अवेरनेस जावना पंचायतीच्या ग्रामसभेक एकदां तरी जेल कंपनीचे ऑफिसर किंवा आमचे गोंय सरकाराचे अधिकारी येवन तांणी ह्या पंचायती ग्रामसभेत लोकांक सांगपाक जाय आशिल्लें की बाबा अशी गॅस लायन येता हेजे इतले बरे तेजे हें बरें आसा सगळे तरेचे कॉम्पेन्सेशन बाबा आमी अमके अमके दितले कोणाची आंब्या झाडां गेल्या कोणाचे माड गेल्या पूण तांकां कांयच खबर ना की बाबा तांकां कितें मेळटलें म्हणून बरें एक्विजिशनूय करूं ना अशीच घालता आनी परत जमीन तुमकां दिता म्हणटा कितें हें कोणाकूच खबर ना एटलिस्ट अवेरनेस तरी जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें प्रत्येक विलेजी प्रत्येक वाड्यार वचून ते करूं ना आनी त्या खातीर लोक भिल्या लोकांनी आडयल्या
2003 धाडला तेंच्यांनी नोटिसीस लोकांक
न्ही पूण एक्विजिशन करपाचें की ना
एक्विजिशनचे नोटिसीस 2003
पूण करूंक जाय न्ही एक्विजिशन आतां म्हणटा ते एक्विजिशन करनासतना अशेंच कॉम्पेन्सेशन दितले तुमकां जागो वापरपाक दितले म्हाजे मिनिस्टर कडल्यान सारको रिप्लाय जाय कारण लोकांक गांवां वचून सांगूंक जाय न्ही
येस
पांडुरंग ढवळकरान जर कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडला ताका हांवूय समज आहा कित्याक ही एक्वायर करिनासतना लोकांक सारकी म्हायती मेळोंक ना आनी लोकांक कांय खबर नासतना आतां 2 मिटर खणटा म्हणटा पूण ती गॅस कितें जावं कितें ते प्रत्येक गांव गांवान वचून अवेरनेस करपाची गरज आसा कित्याक आमचे जे विड्डे गांव
Let the minister reply. तो रिप्लाय का प्रश्न विचारा
ना पूण जी लँड एक्विशन जागा पळय एक्वायर करता ती लोकांक जागेचे तरी पयशे मेळपाक जाय न्हू. आनी जर जागा जर हे करता जाल्यार कोणाची जर प्रॉपर्टी बी हे करनासतना दुसरे कडेन जेन्ना अलायनमेंट करून मेळटा जाल्यार ती करून घेवची.
ते 2003 घातलं ते नोटिफिकेशन घातला
2003 जाला पूण लोकांक सारखे नोटीसी बी मेळोंक ना, लोकांक सारखी खबर ना.
ऍक्ट 2002
Sir, calling attention table by Shri Pandurang M. Davlekar, MLA, Priol constituency. Sir, the Gas Authority of India Limited, GAIL, India is laying a gas pipeline from Dabhol to Bangalore with any extension from Goka to Karnataka to Goa. The length of gas pipeline in Goa is 36 kilometers and the element passes through the Bicholi, Ponda and Marmagaon Taluka. The gas is a natural gas that will be used initially for industrial purpose and will be subsequently extended to the domestic users. In factories, it will be eliminate the usage of naphtha and furnace oil for domestic user. It will be facilitated a piped natural gas by eliminating LPG cylinders. The natural gas is a very safe fuel and does not have any risk since it is lighter than air and evaporates when it is mixed with the air hence. There is very less scope for the accidents and danger for the life or property. User petroleum and mineral pipelines, acquisition of right of users in land, the Act 1962, that was made applicable to the state of Goa in the year 2002. The right of user proceeding the initiatives in Goa on 11/6/2010 by way of notification of Section 3 in bracket 1 of the said Act. Subsequently, the Section 6(1) bracket 1 has been published and Panchanama of the affected area has also been completed. Interim compensation has been calculated and is due to be paid. Process of payment is already started by competent authority and it is expected to be complete by the year end. The competent authority is the Deputy Collector Land Acquisition and the Collector of North Goa. The final compensation will be fixed as provided under the Act. The gas pipeline is passing through the village of Amona, Tandola, Bhakti, Osgaon and Buma and presently. The work of stretch digging in the process. The corridor of 20 meters under use for the purpose of laying the gas pipeline and the movement of machineries. The government is aware about the fear and anxiety in the mind of the people about the safety due to the gas pipelines and view of recent naphtha fire that took place in Vasco. In this regard, the government would like allay the fear of the people by stating that natural gas in the present matter is completely different from the naphtha that is highly inflammable and compares to the gas. In this connection, the government has already taken a precaution by the setting up the coordination committee under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary and other connected officer while order number 14/51/2011 RD dated 9/8/2011. Immediately after the constituting a committee, the meeting was called by me, sir, and all other members of coordination committee in my chamber on 22/9/2011, wherein all aspects were considered relating to the safety of the life and property. It is also decided in this meeting to prepare the handout exhibiting the advantage of the project, beside the answering all the apprehension so as to clear all doubt raised by the people. Accordingly, the government proposes to carry out